It's just a how-to video on how to use the Stop It. It's really very easy to use, but some things in life are just easier shown than explained. So in this case it's already on. The way to remove it is you're just going to put 2 fingers underneath and pull up and fold it back. Now you can use just 1 finger, of course, it's just easier with 2. Now the reason I do 2 is because I put my palm down on the lid as I pull up. The reason for that is that the Stop It will stay in place at much higher pressure levels than the lid itself, so we don't want the stopper to accidentally pull the lid out. So it's very easy if you just press it. You can press it down with 2 fingers, 1 thumb, whatever, and then just pull up with the 2 fingers, pull it back like that, and now it's back and ready to drink. The next thing to do is if you're wanting to pull the whole lid off and maybe drink with the lid back or make a refill, which we all know how frustrating it is to try to look for a place to set your lid down. You know, you don't want to set it down face down. You don't want germs, dirt, sand, whatever it is. Don't want to set it face up. Either way, you're going to end up either with you know, dirt or something where you put your mouth, or else back in the tumbler itself. So the Stop It makes that easy. You just simply leave the stopper in place and flip the lid back. Now you can pour a refill or whatever you want. Same thing on the way back in. When you go back in, just make sure that the edge of the whatever you want to call that, the tab on the lid, is outside as you push it back in and right back in place. You may not have noticed that I just pulled right here. That's because since the Stop It is fully airtight, it's going to resist you pulling on and pushing on and pulling off. You see like that, it's got the air pressure. So when we lift up, we just want to go like that, which is going to allow the air to release through that little vent hole. Same thing on the way in, and you'll hear it. Typically you'll hear the air going through, and then just let the little suction cup piece go right back on to the vent. If you don't do that, it just makes it difficult because it literally is airtight and it's resisting you as you pull up, and it's resisting you as you pull down. So we just want to basically release the airtight aspect of it whenever we're pulling it off and closing it. Other than that, when you put it back on, you know, just always make sure that the tab is centered. If it's off center completely, it could be that the suction cup piece will not seal the vent, so always make sure that that's right in the center. Other than that, it's pretty simple to use. When you're done with it, pull it off, throw it in the dishwasher if you want to. It's completely dishwasher safe.